CAME ZA3P control board wiring. Full step-by-step guide for swing gates. Let's get started. Power supply and safety. Terminal block L and N. The ZA3P runs on 230 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Connect live to terminal L, neutral to N. Turn off mains before wiring. Motors wiring connection. Motor wiring M1 and M2. Motor terminals U and V phase wires. Terminal W is a common wire of the motor. For a 2-leaf gate, M1 is the first leaf delayed opening. M2 connected to terminals X and Y phase wires. Terminal W is common wire of the motor 2. M2 is the second leaf delayed closing. Note: if you're using only one leaf, connect it to M2 terminals X, Y, W. Warning lights. For the gate open warning light, connect to terminal E and terminal W. It flashes while the gate is open and closing. The output is 230 volt AC. Terminal 7 is step-by-step terminal, and terminal 2 is common wire. Terminal 3 and terminal 2 is commanding for open only. Terminal 3P and terminal 2. For commanding the partial opening of a leaf M2 for pedestrian passage. Terminal 4 and terminal 2 is commanding for close only. Photocell. This is a terminals of TX and RX. Terminal 10 and terminal 2 is output power supply of the receiver photocell. Connect wire from terminal TX from receiver to terminal TX in transmitter. Terminal 2 is common of the output power supply. Terminal C1 is safety terminal. Connect in the receiver sensor NC contact. Common take from 2. If you don't use CX, disable it via DIP switch 8, and if you enable the safety test function. DIP 10ON, you must connect at least one pair of photocells to C1. Electric lock. Terminals 11 and S. For the electric lock, use terminals 11 and S. Max 12 volt and 15 watt. This lock releases when the gate opens and locks when closed. Make sure the lock is mechanically compatible with your gate. Terminal 1 and terminal 2. The stop button connects to terminals 1 and 2. And C. If you don't use 1, short circuit 1 and 2.